want today? Awesome. I'll tell you what I would like.
Okay.
Can I get a Mama Burger? No, a Papa Burger combo, please.
Okay. With cheese?
Yes, I'd love some cheese.
With fries and a root beer?
So I want fries with it, and I want a root beer. You don't put ice in the root beer, do you?
No, we don't.
Okay, good. No ice. It's Saskatchewan in February, you know what I mean? Okay. I think that's it.
We need ketchup?
You know what? I would love some ketchup, just thank you.
Okay. That will be 887 at the window.
Yay! Thank you, dude. Yes, definitely get ready. You're awesome. Thank you so much.